Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for plants. First, select plants that thrive in your home's environment, considering light and temperature. Next, learn about their individual watering requirements. Some prefer consistently moist soil, while others need to dry out between waterings. Finally, ensure proper humidity, especially for plants native to tropical regions, which often appreciate a good misting or a pebble tray. Watering correctly is crucial. Generally, check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil before adding water. Most plants prefer bright, indirect light, but some thrive in direct sun or low light conditions. Always research your specific plant's needs. Remember to rotate your plants every few weeks to ensure all sides receive adequate light, promoting balanced and healthy growth. A good quality, well-draining potting mix is essential for root health, preventing waterlogging and promoting aeration. Fertilize your plants during their active growing seasons, usually spring and summer, following the product's instructions carefully to avoid overfeeding. As your plants mature, repot them into a slightly larger container every 1 to 2 years to give their roots more space. Regular pruning of dead or yellowing leaves not only improves your plant's appearance, but also encourages new, healthy growth. Keep an eye out for common pests like spider mites or aphids. Early detection makes treatment much easier. You can use a gentle insecticidal soap if needed. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.